Paragraphica utilizes AI that makes lens-free photography possible. So how it works is you pretty much describe your surroundings, if it's like a tree or the weather or what day it is, and then surrounding shops, and then it'll actually utilize your GPS location in order to spit out a really accurate image of where you are based on your description. You can see in these examples that the actual image and the generated ones are actually pretty close. Of course, they're not exactly the same, but this just shows how cool technology is advancing and how the idea of taking a photograph without lenses is actually becoming a reality. There's a new feature Adobe released called generative film, and I'll show you in this video right here. Utilizing generative AI technology, you can see this biker, they create the generative fill thing, and you can put in a prompt like yellow road lines, that'll create that automatically, and it really blends especially well with the picture. And here's new features. So right there, you just got the image expanded, even though that wasn't part of the original image. And here you can see they're moving this animal into an alleyway, and you can see how you can just add so many edits to your photos so seamlessly, really fast and efficient. And here once again we see the generative fill coming in. You type what you want, it generates it, and it also gives you different variations you can choose from. And I think they're going to add something else yet, the northern lights, so you can choose between 3 variations which one you like best. It's awesome. And what makes these AI tools so powerful is they complement each other. So you can use an AI generating tool like Midjourney and then use this Adobe generative fill, because you know when you generate an image, it's not 100% what you want or the picture you have in mind. But with this new feature, you can actually make that happen pretty easily. Video games are also rapidly progressing, and we see from Jensen Huang's, he came out and showed us this clip. I'm going to show you where this conversation between you and the NPC is actually completely AI generated, and it's not like pre-scripted or whatever. The NPC responded in real time.
Hey Jen, how are you?
Unfortunately, not so good.
How come?
I am worried about the crime around here. It's gotten bad lately. My ramen shop got caught in the crossfire.
Can I help?
If you want to do something about this, I have heard rumors that the powerful crime lord Kuman Aoki is causing all sorts of chaos in the city. He may be the root of this violence.
I'll talk to him. Where can I find him?
So the gaming industry is looking really bright with the help of some AI tools such as Convai, where you can actually create your own AIs and you can bring them to life by connecting them to your game engines, and you can have real conversations with them. And that just goes to show how soon virtual worlds like Cyberpunk doesn't really seem far off, and we can actually hold and build relationships with AI soon. Although Reality GPT is still a prototype, it just shows that these things will happen and are developing right now as we speak. And soon you can wear these glasses that display some panel that tells you where you need to go, key points from your conversations, and then maybe a bracelet that picks up the audio from your conversations. It's pretty exciting.